Do you have an error preventing the msacm32.dll from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. While we explore the technical guide for msacm32, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the msacm32, the Microsoft Audio Compression Manager. It provides unmanaged routines for encoding and decoding compressed audio data links, facilitating the sound manifest for legacy multimedia apps. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. msacm32 is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including msacm32, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If the library remains missing, you should manually clear the program's cache and then download the latest build from the developer's website. Removing the old application data before running the new setup ensures that your DLL file is correctly placed in the root directory without interference from legacy files. Why are we doing this? Well, many applications will try to use existing local data even after a reinstall, and manually clearing the folders forces the software to establish a fresh connection to its dependencies. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone msacm32.dll downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on msacm32. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing msacm32 from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.